The town of Okotoks is working with the Okotoks Public Library to offer memory kits available on a loan basis at no cost for sharing with a loved one with dementia. There are 13 different themed kits, ranging from farms, homemakers, seasons, and more. I'd like to share one of our popular kits with you now, Remembering the 50's. This kit includes a reminiscence DVD, photo cards, and menus and memories booklet that reminds us of some of the delicious food of the day. Also included is a reminiscence game for those who wish to play with their loved one, as well as a 50's Rewind brochure. As dementia progresses, it's likely that older memories are retained the longest. Dementia can be thought of with the bookcase analogy. If most recent memories are the books at the top of the bookcase, what we see is that some of the books in the bookcase are missing. As it progresses, often the books on the lower shelves of the bookcase are in disarray and missing. It's helpful for a caregiver to work with their loved one wherever they're at. The kits offer a wide variety of material to choose from, so the caregiver is able to adjust their engagement based on the interest of their loved one.